Welcome to a new consumer goods review. Today we have Nescafe Gold White Choco Cappuccino from Nestle Corporation. Once again, we have a new flavor from Nescafe. And as usual, look at the packaging design. Really nicely done. We have the classic Nescafe Gold background, and this time it has some pink and white triangle things here. Really modern take on it. Nutri-score, it's D. So I think this will be, it has maybe a lot of sugar. A is the best, E is the worst, so not good Nutri-score. Guide how to make it. And here we see, 54 sugar per 100. So this one will be really sugary coffee, most likely. Here's some certificate that they use like a trademark cup of respect. Respect. They like buy it from the organic farmers or something like that. Yeah, let's see what it has inside. Looks same as other Nescafe instant coffees. And how many do we have here? We have 8 instant coffees ready to go, ready to ship. Are you ready? I'm ready. Take the cup, open it up. Ooh, look at that. The golden Nescafe coffee inside. You take hot water, not boiling, but 90 degrees. Don't put too much water, otherwise it will not taste good. I think this is a good amount. It says how much? 150 milliliters of water. I think this cup is like 3 to 4, something like that. So this is perfect amount. Actually, I think this is like 0.4 liters. So 150 mils. It should be maybe around here, but this top part is more wide. So I think this is like fine to put it like here. Nice color. Let's go ahead and taste it up. It's time for the truth. Let's see if Nescafe Gold White Chocolate Cappuccino tastes any good. The smell is definitely really different than any other Nescafe coffees. It's really sweet, really sugary smell. Maybe it's the white chocolate. We have some foam on the top. Very nice. Let's go ahead and taste it. It's not as sugary as expected. This is really nice. Okay, let's be honest, it's a little bit more sugar than the normal cappuccino, but in a good way. I think the white chocolate really fits with the cappuccino. I mean, who came up with this recipe? White chocolate with cappuccino. I think sometimes the cappuccino is a little bit bitter, but when you add this white chocolate, it makes it like more neutral. It's kind of like adding more milk to the coffee, but instead use the white chocolate instead to make it like a more flavorful experience in your mouth. Really nice blend. Coffee, white chocolate and milk. Yeah, this is good. Really good coffee. I finished it already. That's so great. But is it the best from Nescafe? I have to say, unfortunately, it's not the best from Nescafe. Maybe not even close to the best. But compared to other like instant coffee, cappuccinos, this one is really high on the list. So if you like cappuccino and you want it to be a little bit sweeter, I highly recommend this white chocolate cappuccino. Like, it's not too sweet. I'm glad about that. Not too sweet, because sometimes the Nescafe flavors, they make it too sweet, but this one has, it's okay amount. It's okay amount of sweetness, okay? Yeah, what rating should I give this? I think it's gonna be solid 8 out of 10. It's not the greatest, but it's not bad either. It's like solid 8 out of 10. Really nice flavor. I would like to see how this was actually better than the chocolate cappuccino. I don't know why. How come it's better with white chocolate? I think it's just the sugar. The sugar is tricking your taste buds to make it believe it's better tasting. But yeah, Nutri-Score D, so be careful. Don't drink too much of this. It's highly contaminated with sugar. Okay. Yeah. Once again, great job, Nestle. You make the best instant coffees. Please send me sponsor money so I continue making these videos. Okay, Nestle. I will send you my address. Please, I need some Swiss francs. I need them on my bank account, okay? I will give you next time 10 out of 10. Give me the rating. Give me the money, okay? And I give you the rating. And as always, follow the channel, like the video, and leave a comment down below if you like this or not. Thanks for watching.